Okay, could everyone please turn on their video, come into camera. Ms. Attorney Sackler and Attorney Portis. Okay. 36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving, or any noise background. When your name is called, please give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
We can start with Raeigen versus Efren Raeigen, ticket number P1329462, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number P1329341, count 1, failed to stop for stop sign, count 2, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Freddie Sackler, appearing on behalf of Mr. Raeigen.
Say your name, please.
Freddie Sackler, Judge.
I'm sorry, did Mr. Raeigen state his name?
No.
Say your name, Mr. Raeigen.
Efren.
Mr. Sackler, how does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, we've worked out an agreement with the city prosecutor. We'd like to adopt that agreement and move forward.
Okay. With that, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket ending in 341?
We do, Judge.
Okay, and then you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
Those matters are dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing.
Blockading, correct, Judge?
Is it, okay, thank you. I didn't see that. I'm just getting back. All right, so there's gonna be a fine, Mr. Raeigen, of $175 because this is a civil infraction. It is due in 14 days, which would be August 29th. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, so you are all set.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Raeigen will give the office a call. We'll help explain to you how to pay. Thank you.
Oh,
Give me 1 second. All right, this is the people versus you. Most of we ready on Brandon Davis. People versus Brandon Davis. Ticket number P1148234, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Driver, count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hausner.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark John Hausner, attorney for Brandon Michael Davis, P number 46168.
Mr. Davis, say your name, please.
Brandon Davis.
All right, there is an offer. If you please to count 1, counts 2 and 3 would be dismissed. Did your client wish to avail himself to that offer, Mr. Hausner?
We did discuss that, but we're going to decline that offer, Your Honor.
Okay, so how did you want to proceed? Did you want to set up for a bench trial?
Yes, please.
All right, with that, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Davis?
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, I understand.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Excuse me, Your Honor, we really didn't discuss that at length. I thought we were going to set it for another date, so I did not go over the procedures with him for a bench trial versus a jury trial and those things. I thought that it would be set for a date today since we did not accept the offer by the city.
So you just want to set it for a pretrial, is that what you're saying?
Yes, please. I have not discussed it with him as to doing a bench trial versus a jury trial or any of that yet.
Right, the offer would be the same at the bench trial, because the offer does remain open, but it would be the same date. Pretrial. Okay, so the pretrial would be September 19th at 8:35.
Okay,
All right.
that's acceptable.
Okay. Any questions?
No, Your Honor. Any questions?
No,
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is Miss, I don't see her anymore. Is Miss Portis still around? Oh,
Yes, I
see
am,
her.
Your Honor.
See, I'm sorry. I don't have that.
What's the name?
It's Stephen Robinson.
What's his name?
Roberson. Thank you. All right, this is the people versus Stephen Roberson, ticket number B 5001581, count one. Failure, a cigarette dealer, failure to obtain license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Troy Portis, P77123, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, at this time, my client is commuting to work, and so I'm just going to waive his appearance and appear on his behalf.
Okay, so how did you want to proceed, Ms. Porter?
Your Honor, at this time, this is the final pretrial. I would ask for dismissal. At this time, the city has not been able to produce any information to us regarding this particular ticket. They haven't been able to provide us with, we've been trying to work with them, and they haven't been able to provide us with the information we need to obtain a license so that my client can operate his business legally in the city of Detroit. This involves a hookah trailer, Your Honor, at this time.
Okay.
So at this time, I would just respectfully ask for this matter to be dismissed.
And it also doesn't look like any officers are here for this case, so the court will dismiss this without prejudice. You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It was set for a final pretrial.
Mr. Walling, are you ready on your maps?
I'm ready on repress and domino.
Okay. Press and down. You press.
You said rest, is it rest press?
Rest press.
Bernard?
I'm
Okay.
sorry, rest press.
Okay, I just signaled for rest press to come out, and let me find domino. Okay,
Domino is right at the top of 830.
okay,
Right, yeah.
This is
Miss,
the people.
Miss Domino, could you please turn on your video? 36
Yes,
Okay, 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. When your name is called, please give the court your full and divided attention. Thank you.
yes,
Thank you. Okay. All right, this is the people versus Bernard Rest Press, ticket number 1346891, count one, new operator's license on person. And then
Correct. Bernard Rest Press.
ticket number SP 886749. one failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P 35229. I am your House Counsel this morning. State your name again, Mr. Respress.
Bernard Respress.
Your Honor, at this time, I'd ask the court, we waive any kind of formal reading, ask the court to set aside any warrants. I'd like these matters set for another date, Your Honor. I've been told that you go directly to a bench trial date.
Usually, but it looks like he's made admissions to these already.
According to the docket, and that's all I get these days, Your Honor, is arraignment on a bench warrant.
And all I have is the ROA, and it looks like okay, maybe not, you know what? This says it's reduced. This one has give me one moment. That one has.
Please, if it's already done, nothing for me to do.
Right, and that one says reduced.
Yeah, but that's in 2000.
Yeah, so it's like this is the O. That he has.
Oh, yeah, 300.
And 402 on this.
Yeah.
All right, it looks like he's already made admissions to these. The issue is that he owes money. And I'll tell
Yeah,
you
that's always the issue, Your Honor.
he owes a total of $788.
Your Honor, he reviewed he looked at his printout that he was working from. He owes approximately $2,500, little shy of that. I guess the issue for him, and I understand the public not knowing the difference, but we can certainly tell him that these need to be taken care of first.
Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, if he owes that much, he probably was going to get on a payment plan.
He was looking for something like that, Your Honor, but I thought we were kind of putting the cart before the horse because I thought they had not been adjudicated as of yet.
They've been adjudicated, so.
Okay, then. Please make a payment plan sort of thing happen, Your Honor.
All right, so he needs to come down to the court to do that. So
Okay.
what I will do, I'll give him additional time to pay this. But he needs to pay something. So I'll
Yes.
give him a month.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'll give him to September 26th to pay it. But what he needs to do is come down to the court. He needs to pay something on it, and then he can set up a payment plan, and they'll give him more time.
Did you hear that, Mr. Respress?
Yes, I did.
You heard your marching orders.
Pardon me?
You heard your marching orders.
Yes, I did. September the 26th.
There has to be money paid before September the 26th on these two tickets, the two license tickets. And then you come down and they will arrange a payment plan for you.
Okay, I understand.
I don't believe there's anything further then, Your Honor.
Nothing, okay. So you're all set.
Goodbye, Mr. Respress.
So are the bench warrants lifted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Respress, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Your Honor, you didn't make a comment when Mr. Walling made a motion to set aside the warrant.
Oh, yes, they're set aside. Thank you.
Sometimes I get ahead of myself, Your Honor.
No, I just
Okay, Mr. Respress,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
And the other one we're ready for, Your Honor, is Lenora Domino.
I have her right here.
Okay.
This is the people versus Lenora Domino, ticket number 227418883. Count one, or no, I'm sorry, 227418831. Count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Walling.
Philip X. Walling, representing Lenora Domino. Please state your name, Ms. Domino.
Lenora Domino, Lenora Ann Domino.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. Just because I'm a little gun shy, is this one matter been adjudicated also?
It is. Yeah, she pled on April 13th.
Well,
And it looks like she only owes $50.
owes $50?
I could pay that today.
We're gonna make sure, but that's right.
Well, that makes me a lot.
Okay, she hasn't, this is Laura, right? She hasn't played, huh?
It says plea date April 13th.
It says that's the arraignment date, that's what she was.
Oh, okay, nope, she had, okay.
Yep.
No, she hasn't pled, I'm sorry, I read it incorrectly.
Okay,
The
that
offer
was
is
it.
the proper place that she wishes to take advantage of that offer.
No, not at this time. We're gonna need a new date, Your Honor.
Okay, does she want to set up for a trial?
Well, you know, what, Ms. Domino?
If it's a fine of $50, I could just pay it
It's
today.
not, it's not.
Oh, how much is it? How much is it?
We don't know yet.
Oh, I'm
Because if
sorry.
you hadn't pled guilty, like the guy in front of you. Let the lawyer do his thing, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'll take care of you, I promise. Just like we talked about. Your Honor, we'd ask probably for a pretrial date, whatever be sooner. This lady says she has the registration for the vehicle we're talking about, just not here. So
Okay,
you want to make it tomorrow, we can do it.
we'll set it for September 19th.
Okay, you got that date, Ms. Domino?
Yes. Yeah,
Bring your paperwork, license, registration, insurance.
okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, there was a C. Davis, Your Honor, that was not on the docket. I was waiting for more information with regard to him.